We are here today in the Pasir enclave with this fabulous beachfront living house. Let's go check out this two-story corner terrace at Pasir Heights. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance. My name is Geryl Lim, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you this fabulous two-story corner terrace at Pasir Heights, and I'm sure your family will love it. With a land size and built-up area close to 3,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms plus helper quarter, with a splendid front porch as well as the side and backyard, this cozy landed home is just about 5 to 7 minutes away from Pasir Park and beach, where you can actually take a leisure stroll or cycle and catch the morning sunrise with your family. We also have Pasir West Mall, Elias Mall, IKEA Tampines and Giant Hypermart, as well as Pasir MRT and White Sands Mall within just a few bus stops away. Sitting on an elevated plot of land, it allows for the owners to have a decent-sized koi pond right in front of the garden area, where the outdoor living area provides for a cozy chill-out area with your guests. Or simply just soak in the resort atmosphere in the morning over your newspaper and coffee. The wide and regular plot of land allows for efficient space planning. You can exercise your green fingers with the spice garden by the side of the house, where you can harvest your own chili padi or curry leaves that can be used for your cooking. The huge backyard allows for some extension if required. Otherwise, space can also be used for outdoor barbecue area. As we enter the house, notice how spacious the living and dining area is, with a 10 meters wide frontage as compared to other corner terraces, which is typically only about 8 to 9 meters, as well as a majestic plot size of 3,400 square feet. It is little wonder why the interior space is comparable to even some of the smaller detached homes. Come, let's go check out the guest room on the ground floor. It is almost the size of 2 bedrooms combined into one, as compared to a typical ground floor bedroom we have seen in majority of the landed homes. We also have a functional size dry and wet kitchen, plus a storage space that can double up as a helper's quarter. Minor reconfigurations can also be made according to your household preferences. If you think that the space on level 1 is impressive, wait till you check out level 2 where all the bedrooms are. It will definitely blow you away. Follow me up. Look at the spacious common landing on level 2, where natural lights flow freely within the house with the huge window panels by the side. Let's go check out the common bedroom first. Look at the amazing size of the common room, where 3 single beds can be fitted easily, and yet there is no shortchange of space for your wardrobe and common workspace. The second common room, which is of similar size, has been converted into their study room with 3 huge study desks and ample storage space for the children, and these 2 common rooms are connected by a sliding door to minimize disturbances to the rest of the family when the children study or work late into the night. Last but not least, be amazed by the size of the master bedroom. Spread across the entire front ring of the house, utilizing every inch of the width of this house. You not only can accommodate 1 king-size bed, perhaps even 2 or 3 of them side by side. With ample wardrobe space, including the walk-in closet that leads to the bathroom, the masters of the household are also able to enjoy some private chill-out moments over at the outdoor balcony space, where they can soak in the gentle sea breeze over some champagne to wind down the day. Now, with over $200,000 spent on renovating this fabulous home just over 5 years back, the owner has also spent considerable efforts over the years in the upkeep of this family home in such mint conditions, where the next owner will hardly need to do anything else but to just bring along their luggage to move in. Are you excited to check out this home physically for yourself? Do not hesitate further. Contact Geryl Lim at 9278 7772 for an exclusive home tour arrangement. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.